Creating a WePay account using the Account Creation API is a straightforward process that requires careful attention to detail to ensure successful integration. The first step is to register for a WePay account and obtain an API key, which is used to authenticate API requests. Next, gather the required information for the account holder, including name, email, and address. It is essential to validate this information to ensure it is accurate and complete. The API requires specific formatting for the data, so make sure to follow the guidelines provided in the WePay documentation. Once the information is gathered and validated, construct the API request. The request should include the API key, account holder information, and any additional required fields. The API endpoint for account creation is clearly defined in the WePay documentation, and the request method is typically a POST request. When sending the request, ensure that the data is properly formatted and encoded. WePay supports both JSON and XML data formats, so choose the one that best fits your integration needs. After sending the request, the API will return a response indicating whether the account was created successfully or if an error occurred. To handle errors, implement robust error handling mechanisms that can catch and process API error responses. This includes checking the HTTP status code and response body for error messages and codes. If an error occurs, retry the request or prompt the user to correct the issue. Depending on the error type, best practices for WePay Account Creation API include validating user input, handling errors, and testing the integration thoroughly. It is also essential to comply with WePay's terms of service and privacy policy, as well as any relevant financial regulations. By following these guidelines and best practices, you can ensure a seamless and successful integration of the WePay Account Creation API into your application.